My warm welcome for you guys. Hope you are doing good. And the recipe I will share today, it's a Mexican food. It's a Mexican food with beef mixture and more cheese. And more cheese folded with chapati or bread, as you are watching here. And it's called Quesadilla. And it's called Quesadilla. So this is the way we serve. And before I will start, I wanna say thanks to you all for watching this video. And if you are new here, send me message by subscribe my channel with press the bell icon. So ready for Quesadilla. As you are watching here, I take the beef. It's a fresh beef and we are going to marinate that one. So as you see, I used here first 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, 1 teaspoon Maggi seasoning, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Use salt by your taste. Don't forget for salt. I will touch here little bit of barbecue sauce for a good taste. Little bit of barbecue sauce. Okay, but enough that one. And now I will use black pepper. It's a black pepper. After use the black pepper, I will mix it very nicely. I will cover the masala. I will cover the spices with the beef very nicely. So mixed it very well. So before we finish, before we keep aside, little bit of olive oil. Little bit of olive oil you can use here. After finish your olive oil, mix it again. After finish your mixing, I will keep that one aside for 2 hours. For 2 hours, I will keep that one aside. So in the time, I will prepare chapati. The chapati is on the way, and 2 hours finish. Now I will cook this one. That is Quesadilla beef. I will prepare that one. So this one, all the spices in together. Now this one need to just need to cook. For looking nice, I used here bell pepper, all kind of capsicum here with onion. Slices onion here I cut and I used here. See how it's looking. It's looking really very nice. So I will cook that one 8 minutes or 10 minutes. It's enough. 8 minutes or 10 minutes I'll cook that one. It will be nicely done after 8 minutes or 10 minutes. So now you can use little bit of tomato ketchup. It's a tomato ketchup I used here. So you can use little bit of tomato ketchup. It's awesome. It's really excellent and very delicious food. You will try it. Hope you will try it. So I hope now it's done. Yeah. See, it's looking dry now. All the water is gone. Now take your chapati, put the beef mixer, top up your chapati, and this is the main things you will use here. Before we will fold the chapati, use cheese. Which kind of cheese you want to use? You can use the cheese here. I used mozzarella cheese. This mozzarella cheese I will use a little bit more because the main things the quesadilla is cheesy. Cheesy. If you use here more cheese, you will just be hungry when you will see that. So fold your chapati tightly on both sides and cook that one until the cheese is melted. So bring back again on your fire. Yeah. You need to cook that one both sides for 2 minutes, 4 minutes, total 4 minutes. You will cook that one, or you will check when your cheese is coming melted. That time you close it. That time you can take out it. So until the cheese is melted, you need to cook that one on your tawa. So quesadilla is ready, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I want to say you, still, if you are not consider you subscribe on my channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon. I will get your message very soon. So thanks you again watching my video. Hope you enjoy the quesadilla recipes today, and if you are enjoy, hit the like button and don't forget to say something about this quesadilla, about this recipe. Once your quesadilla is ready, take out from tawa and cut that one by your choice. See, the cheese is melted now. It's melting now. See, the cheese is melting now, looking so yummy. It really looks so yummy. As I told you before, when you will see that one, just you will feel hungry. See how we are cut our quesadilla for serving. You can cut like that, or you can cut by your choice. See, wow, it's really very nice. It's really very nice. Very yummy dish, the quesadilla. So quesadilla is done. It's time for serving. You can, without any sauce, you can serve that one. No need any sauce. Only just like that you can serve. You can make any decoration beside your plate. So thank you once again. Take care. Have fun. Bye.